Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Sleepy Bull. Wave Watch with your host Sleepy Bull. I've taken a little hiatus just because the market was a little bullish, and not that I don't like being bullish, but that's currently not my bias, at least according to the charts. And so I'm back with some fresh thoughts on what might be coming. Today we'll be going over Bitcoin, the BLX chart, where we are in the current wave theory cycle, and where we might expect to go within the next week or so. Let's begin. Weeks or so, because these markets are very slow. They take their time. They take their sweet time. So yeah, we're starting here with the BLX chart. I'm sure you all are aware of my macro wave count here, and for those who are not introduced to it, here it is. And we found something very interesting on the 2-week chart. The 2-week chart is my favorite time interval now, one of my favorite time intervals. It just provides a more overall view of things. I want to call it the eagle eye, the bird's eye view. So here we are, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 expanded. Wave 3, of course, with 3 of 3 being the overshoot. This is wave 3. Wave 4 triangle. It's not a triangle, but there's a triangle within the wave 4, which is expected. Wave 5. And wave 5 fits perfectly within the 1618 extension. Oh, this is not log fibs. I am a log fib guy, so let's do that. I do my wave theory in logs. This gives me an overall view of things and where I really expect things to go on a percentage basis. So if I want my 100x, it's not that this was 100, like if I want to see a wave 3 of this caliber, when else will I expect it in the chart here elsewhere? And now that I brought that topic up, not that I wanted to discuss it, but if you want to see a wave 3 caliber of this type, I mean, this took a few years, like what, 5 years. The next one will probably take 10 years, but you'll see it. You'll see that magnitude of a move just twice or maybe longer. It might take longer, rather said. So this would be wave 1, wave 2, and the same caliber move would take place, but this time it would be Bitcoin's going to ridiculous numbers. Not that it will go to 100 million, but in 5 years or 10 years. But you get the idea. Wave 3 is going to be a ridiculous number, and it'll take 15 years to get there. That's the idea. Anyway, back to what we're talking about here. Wave 5. Wave 5 here. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4 of wave 5. We're done here. And I had my ABC labeled here, and I took it out just for labeling purposes, but here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've come to the conclusion that this wave 5 is a expanded diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 expanded diagonal. Wave A, wave B, and this is the extension right at the top. Guys and gals, if you're watching, what are the odds we have what is most likely distribution at the top of wave C, which is wave B? This is the infamous wave B fake out. So this has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks. 13 weeks long. Distribution. Distribution, distribution, distribution. That's what this smells like. That's what it looks like. I'm going to be discussing distribution. I had to do an in-depth analysis, an in-depth read of what this might be, and this is giving me textbook vibes. Okay, this is the top. This is the automatic rally. Sorry, buying climax, automatic reaction, up thrust, and this is the spring. Can this be accumulation? Possibly. Accumulation, touch of the channel. Now, this is the tricky part. We go up, sign of support, go up, sign of support. If we fail to make this high and stay above it, that's a UTAD. We get out. We get out, we get out. Because that means new lows. If we fail to even reach here, that's even worse. There's no strength at all. So you can only expect reversal. Right now, the way this looks to me, because of the spring, it's looking like accumulation. But we won't know until we break above this and close above it. So I'm sticking with my wave theory. This is distribution. Top of wave C. If we look at, you just see a bunch of dojis at the top of an uptrend. I mean, that's, and we can't even break above it. You look at the 2 month. You have another doji. That's ominous, very ominous, and even worse. This is my smoking gun. This is on the 2 week. I can't believe this moved here like this. Let me just do this here. Excuse me. Doesn't look so well. The 2 week, but either or. This is the RSI channel. Let me expand this a little bit. This is the RSI channel. We have here bearish divergence. Price action going up, RSI going down. Ever so slightly, but it's there. And we're at the top of the RSI. Yeah, this is classic reversal. Classic reversal, guys. This is what you're seeing here right now. What's facing you in the face right now is a M pattern. Up, down, up, down. Will we hold? You better pray to God we do, because if not, we're going down here or here. This I've discussed this before. Here's the worst case scenario, but I really don't think we'll go that low. We'll go here, maybe wick here, but here is doomsday. But yeah, this is I mean, this is let's see, this is 21. We're in 24. That's a 3-year divergence. 3 years. Think it through, guys. You think we're gonna go up? Think it through. Yeah. So here is my count once again. I present it to you for the record. Wave watch, Sleepy Bull, May 30th, 2024. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A down to 14,400. B up to 72,000, around there. C, worst case down to 6,800. Best case down to 16,000. for completion of wave 1 and wave 2. By the way, this counts as we're in wave 2. What's to come is wave 3, which is a wonder to behold. Something like 250,000 or more. This is 1, 2. Well, no, my apologies. It's not that. It's way higher. It's some ridiculous number, but I won't get into that right now. So far, I'm looking for the target of wave 2 down, and then we'll get into wave 3, macro wave 3 later on. Sleepy Bull out.